like that, you know. But I'm the one that ease your pain, I know.
Good morning, Kim folks. Okay, and happy Monday, you guys. Y'all, today is like my first official day of Vlogmas. Okay, y'all gonna have to excuse me because your girl don't have an intro. She don't have anything. Okay, and that is because I literally decided to join Vlogmas at the very last minute, and I just feel like if I just make the decision and go with it, it's gonna be good. But anyways, you guys, let me go ahead and bust out the intro, okay? Because a lot of y'all probably don't know me. But welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new, and for my returning Kim folks, what's up, y'all? And before we get too deep in today's vlog for Vlogmas, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with your girl and be notified each and every time I drop a new video. Okay, and if you can, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because you already know it's lit over here. Okay, now, like I was saying, y'all, happy Monday. I just finished dropping my kids off at school. Y'all, these days of being a single mom, like the single part, it don't bother me, it don't, but being a mom without a nanny, it's bothering me. And I talk like I've had a nanny before. I've never had a nanny. I've had some help, and I can use that help again, y'all, because this whole waking up at the crack of dawn, getting 2 kids ready and all of that, plus myself, like, y'all, I'm tired. Who told me to have some kids back to back? I was being too grown. But anyways, got the kids to school. We are here at Dunkin' Donuts because if y'all watched my last vlog, y'all know that I'm turned into a Dunkin' girl. I think I am. So I pulled up to Dunkin' Donuts so that I can grab me 2 donuts and a latte. Okay, and a latte this morning. And your girl really don't be drinking no lattes. I've never drank lattes from Starbucks or anything like that. So the fact that I'm here at Dunkin' Donuts talking about something, can I get a sugar cookie latte? Okay, I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. This is one of them drinks that you just gotta make right. Like, you gotta make it right so it can taste its best, you know. But anyways, y'all, right now we are at Dunkin' Donuts. After Dunkin' Donuts, we are going to head to the house. I am going to get ready for the day because if you a mom, you throw on anything so that you can get them kids to school, because all that matters is that the kids is at school and they at school on time. So yeah, with that being said, after we leave Dunkin' Donuts, we are going to head home, get dressed. I have a nail appointment for my toes this afternoon, so we'll be doing that. And I really want to try and film a holiday makeup tutorial. Y'all, I just be wanting to be in my makeup palettes these days. I just want to sit down and do a bunch of makeup. I feel really good when I'm doing my makeup in my element, and that's just how I want for things to be. Okay, ma'am, what are you doing? Ordering for the whole block? He can get you like 10 drinks. Not a few bags. Is this a corporate thing? I'm just kidding. Anyways, y'all, we just made it back home. Got our little Dunkin' take care. Okay. We also got us 2 little not raggedy, but 2 little classic glazed donuts. Let's go ahead and try this out. Now, if y'all didn't hear the order, your girl got a regular coffee with 3 pumps of sugar cookie. Okay, so let's try it. It's so good. Ooh, and I did this with almond milk. Oh, this is so good. Oh, this is so good. Y'all, I'm a Dunkin' girl. I think I'm a Dunkin' girl. 1, because donuts. I love me a good donut, okay? And 2, this is so good. Okay, anyways, let me go ahead and finish this, and I'm gonna hop in the shower, and I'm gonna be right back to y'all in a minute, okay? Okay, y'all, so I have finished getting dressed and stuff like that. I am going to wait until a little bit later to do my makeup because, like I said earlier, I want to sit down and film a makeup tutorial, a little holiday makeup tutorial. So that is going to be the plan for later on. So I just kind of want my face to be free. But right now we are getting ready to head to the nail shop because my toes need a little bit of TLC, okay? So let's go ahead and head out because y'all know time is of the essence around here. We got to be back to get the kids from school by 3 o'clock. So yeah, let's go ahead and hit the road so that we can get back.
See the stars, see the moon. I watch the universe together with you. It's written in dust, so for a lifetime. It's not enough for me to be with you. You saw me dreaming about then. I had a hard time channeling that out, finding the solution for my insecurity. If it's not meant for me, it's not my responsibility. Was looking for love, but found my own tranquility. Paranoid no more, I got my own stability.
Welcome back. Okay, so listen, your girl got her toes done, and I know y'all seen the massage that homeboy was the massage. Okay, it was so nice, y'all. It was so nice. Clearly my head looks like it, y'all, because I was falling asleep. Okay, you're not finna massage my foot that good and I think that I'm not finna fall asleep. But anyways, y'all, I made it home. I got the kids from the bus stop, and now we're getting ready to work on some homework. And after that, we just gonna relax until it's about time to do the night routine. And then that's it. One thing that I am trying to do when the boys lay down and go to sleep is do a makeup tutorial. So I will show y'all how that look turns out. But yeah, other than that, today has been a good day. Let me go ahead and get to these mommy duties real quick so that we can get this homework done, because the sooner we get it done, the sooner we can relax. And y'all got to remember, I'm doing homework for 2. I'm not doing homework with 1 person, I'm doing it with 2. So I need all of the strength that I can get. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to that, and then I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute.
H-I K. Look at my elf. Look at my elf.
Okay, so what's up, y'all? I did not get a chance to film. I really wanted to film my makeup tutorial and I did not get to it tonight, so that is at the top of my to-do list for tomorrow. The nighttime routine pretty much just ran a little late. In fact, them kids are still up and it is currently 9:58. You know, this is why these kids gonna be tired in the morning, because when I say go to bed, I just don't know why they still play. It's crazy. But right now I am warming me up some food. I am going to eat. I'm going to edit the vlog from today so that it can get posted tomorrow, okay? And then I am probably going to go and shut it down myself. Okay, so yeah, that's the move for the rest of the night. Okay, y'all, real quick, so I bought this chicken right here, right? It is real good. It's actually real good. I mean, like, that's the brand, but it's actually real good as well. But y'all, this chicken right here is bomb. It's called the tikka masala chicken. I think that's how it's pronounced. I'm using my sounding out skills. That's what it says. But anyways, you guys, this is just like some creamy tomato curry type of chicken. It does not smell like amazing, but it tastes so good. And then I actually took some of my orange chicken sauce and put it on top of the chicken as well. Mix them both together. Y'all, it is a bomb.com. So I'm gonna just tell y'all this. Pick y'all up some of these at like Kroger or Publix, whichever grocery store that you have. Look and see if they have these and get them, y'all. These are bomb. They're bomb. And I'll show y'all what the chicken looks like. Not anything. Ooh, not it fogging up. Sorry, y'all, still a little hot, but that chicken looks so good with the rice. It's an affordable weeknight meal. So to all my moms out there, if y'all want something real quick, easy, chicken and rice, get your little veggie, throw it next to it or whatever. You'll love it. The kids love it. A nice, easy meal, okay? But y'all, let me go ahead and eat, and let's edit so that we can go ahead and shut it down for the night, okay? Let's go. Okay, y'all, so your girl has finished editing the vlog for tomorrow pretty much. The only thing that I need to do is just add my little last clip, which is this right here, the clip, you and I talking, and the video will be done. And I'm gonna go ahead and upload it and all of that tonight so that we don't have to worry about it tomorrow. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. As y'all saw the way that I was editing my videos, there's not a whole lot. Very simple software that I use. I use Filmora, in case you are wondering. No one asked, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It is Filmora. It's for Windows, so I am operating off of a Windows computer and stuff like that. I don't use a Mac or anything. Yeah, not saying I won't switch in the future, but right now I'm just, I just got a Windows computer and I use Filmora. Been working good for me for years, so I'm just gonna stick with it. But anyways, y'all, I want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel, watching this vlog. I truly appreciate y'all's support, and I will see y'all tomorrow, okay? And is it me, or I don't know, am I the only one that turns on Insecure as a as my feel-good show? Like either Insecure 101, like The Proud Family or something like that. Those are just like my feel-good shows. I can turn it on, I can run it, I get a new perspective every time I watch it. Like, man, I just don't think that Black creators get enough credit. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish watching this, upload this, so that we are good to go, and I'm gonna check in with y'all tomorrow. So yeah, if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Until next time, may peace and love be multiplied, Kim folks.
You like that, but I'm the one that ease your pain. I know.